Why do that one bullet just hit?
Didn't even fucking record it. Hello YouTube, this is Hit 5 Productions. It's our first game at the Ritual. It's TDM. It's 4v4, I think, yeah. Hope you enjoy. Let's go. Didn't even freaking record it, you little bitch.
What's the point, Mark?
Let's go! Come. Jordan, are you here? Bitch, bastard. No. Come. Right. What? Fuck's sake. As you can see, it's not a very pleasant day today, but yeah. John's just there, just over there by the rocks. Can't we just shoot him though?
So did I! What? So did I before.
What are you doing?
Jammed weapon!
Right, pause game.
Pause!
Pause, Joe, that means don't move.
Well, that's just brilliant.
Johnny, pause!
Pause game! It's pause game anyways, lads! Who's gonna fucking pop a cap in here?
Fucking pause!
We have! Stay where you are!
Jam!
Jordan's! Unfortunately. You have to stay where you were before. So go back where you were. Yeah, I know.
Pause game!
Pause game, Kia. Imbecile. I'm getting footage. Strike it up. Has it been recording that? Look, I'll have to roll.
Jordan, is it nearly unblocked?
I know, I'm going back up.
That's still filmed.
Yeah. No. No shooting. Pause.
Yeah, I'm basically just gonna. I've decided to go commando since the accuracy of this is just horrible.
I know, that's why I wasn't gonna buy it. Hello, Connor.
Yes, it is.
No. See, the camera's there. You got the gun fixed. You subscribed to me. That was cool.
Oh,
Yeah,
just missed
please
Callum.
subscribe to me, so.
Vlog, isn't it?
Vlog Rooties.
I'll post links in the description.
The
for Vlog
worst
Route.
cameraman in the
world.
world. I know.
Right, go back to positions. Yep, let's roll. Size of it. How man, you're wasting recording time. 4,
3, 2, 1,
replay.
go! Right, I got you! He's doing captain now! Yeah? Mark, get ready. Johnny needs cover and fire.
Ready? 3.
No!
No fucking. Oh.
Johnny, get ready!
Oh, I fucking hit him. I hit him.
You got Jordan?
I think I got him.
Oh,
Did you
right.
get hit? They hit over there. You hit over there.
Someone fucking get it!
Hit! Jordan! Oh, you're right in the neck! Oh, shot!
Got him!
Callum! Chris! Run! 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 Just
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
shit! Run! Ah! It was! As you can see, we've been pushed back to the trolley. Not good.
It was 10 seconds fastest I could count.
Hey, that's pretty good here.
I'm out of ammo. We should move in. Further in.
I know, but
Next round is definitely going to matter.
when I
So I'll use a pistol next round.
Johnny on there,
And I got the clear.
we rock and roll.
I've got to go back up to get ammo.
What?
I've got to go back up to get ammo.
Hey, Chris, have a sergeant to go get ammo!
Mark, you've got ammo, right?
Right, you can come out with his hands in the air. Yeah, put the person who needs ammo, come out.
Put your guns above your head and walk towards it
Person,
slowly.
yeah,
Slowly.
asking for ammo, come out.
No, seriously, this is...
I won't shoot if you don't.
Take your hand off the trigger. We have time, people. Let him go.
Nice kill, he's dead.
He's over
He's
here.
dead. He's dead. Don't stand in that.